The Acer Predator Helios 500 is a gaming laptop designed for extreme gamers, not infinitely wealthy ones such as the lucky 300 who bought a limited edition $8,000 Predator 21X, but reasonably well-financed one who could instead settle for a model that offers an overclockable GPU and a few overclockable CPU options as well. So in this video we're going to give you the Acer Predator Helios 500 specs, so stay tuned to find out. In the CPU department, you can make a choice of 4 choices available: 4-core Core i5-8300H, a 6-core i7-8750H, or a Core i9-8950HK, or Core i9 Plus 8950HK. Focusing on the latter two Core i9 chips, both of these are 6-core CPUs, overclockable from a base rate of 2.9 GHz to 4.8 GHz. Even better, the Core i9 Plus adds Optane memory to boost the speeds of data drives. In the memory department, you'll get up to 16 GB of DDR4 and upgradable to 64 GB. The display is 17.3-inch IPS technology display. With one is simply high-resolution Ultra HD, the other is Full HD with support for 144Hz refresh and NVIDIA G-Sync. The latter option will make a huge difference in your gaming experience, but it will kill your battery life, and it will add a fair amount to the total price of your configuration. In the graphics department, it uses NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070, overclockable with 8 GB of GDDR5 VRAM, storage up to a 2 TB HDD, or SSD options including up to 512 GB SATA, up to 512 GB NVMe, PCI Express Gen 3 up to 4 lanes, or up to 1 TB 2D NVMe in RAID 0. Connectivity includes 3 USB 3.0 Type-A, 2 Thunderbolt 3, HDMI 2.0 DisplayPort. The latter two connectors are on the laptop's rear panel along with the parallel charger port. Dimensions 16.85 by 11.73 by 1.52 inches. It weighs 8.8 pounds. The Predator Helios 500 has 2 of Acer's fancy Aeroblade 3D metal fans and 5 heat pipes. Intake fans take up almost half of the bottom panels, while huge exhaust ports line the back corners and much of the rear panel. You can control the fans using Acer's Predator Sense software. The app also manages overclocking, temperature, hotkeys, and lighting. Speaking of hotkeys and lighting, the anti-ghosting membrane keyboard is RGB backlit with 4 lighting zones supporting up to 16.8 million colors. It has 5 programmable keys. The trackpad also backlit has full right and left mouse buttons. The Predator Helios 500 clearly has a lot going on in its guts with pricing, thermals, and bulk to match. Of course, the base model isn't going to be quite as exciting as the full-bore overclockable version, but if we get in any of these configurations for review, there will be plenty to talk about. So that is guys for today's video. Hope you enjoy it. Give us a like if you do. Don't forget to subscribe for more info and update. Thank you for watching and see you next time.